Now question number 2 is find the volume of solid obtained when the region bounded by y equals under root x and y equals minus x and x equal to 9 is revolved around the x-axis. It may be useful to draw the specified region. So we are given two regions, y equals to under root x and y equals minus x. So we'll draw both the regions. So that's our coordinate axis with the origin. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Now we'll draw this half parabola which is y equals root x. And then we'll draw this straight line which is y equals minus x. So this is y equals minus x. Now we need to revolve these two curves to form solid of revolution. Now we know that when we revolve this parabola, we'll get a paraboloid. And when we rotate this line, we'll get a cone. So what will happen is, since this cone till this point of intersection, it lies within this paraboloid. So up to this point of intersection, this volume of revolution, it will be this paraboloid. And after this point of intersection, since this region now is above this y equals to root x graph, thereafter we'll get this frustum of a cone. So this is our solid of revolution. First thing, we'll need to find this point of intersection. So this is y equals to root x and this is y equals x. So here there'll be 2 points of intersections, 0 and 1. So this point is basically x equal to 1. We need to find volume of this revolution from 0 to x equals 9. So somewhere we'll have this line which is x equals 9 and we need to find volume of revolution. Now we know that volume of revolution is given by this small cylinder whose radius is y and whose width is simply dx. So this volume will be dv1 plus dv2. Now dv1 is volume of this paraboloid part. So area of the circle is pi r square. So it is pi and then r in this case is y. So it will be pi y square into dx and this is y for parabola. So this is pi yp square dx from 0 to 1 plus, now from 1 to 9 it will be this y of line. So it will be pi y line square into dx. So now we'll simplify it. So this is from 0 to 1. Now what is y parabola? So there will be under root x square is simply x. So it will be pi x dx plus from 1 to 9 pi x square dx. Now this is pi. It will be x square upon 2 from 0 to 1 and here it will be x cube upon 3 1 to 9. So it will be pi by 2 and then here it will be 1 minus 0 and here it will be pi by 3 and then it will be 7 to 9 minus 1. So this area will be pi by 2 plus 728 pi by 3 which is 1459 pi by 6 square units. Now in the solution they have a different answer and I don't know why, because here it clearly says and the line y equals to 9 and in the solution they have solved it for x equals 4. So I don't know which one was correctly given in the examination. So if it is 9 then it is this answer. If it is 4 then all we need to do is we need to integrate it from 1 to 4.